Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the how you can actually use the full screen gestures in the Mi 10i device. So this is a Mi 10i 5G smartphone which has a Snapdragon 750G variant. And right now, I'll try to cover the how to use the full screen gestures in this device. In case if you don't know how to use a full screen, so you can disable the navigation bar buttons and you can use this kind of full screen experience to get the complete full screen immersive experience. And in case if you want to download this kind of good looking live wallpaper, so which you can see here, so make sure to check the links and description for more updates on this live wallpaper, so which will be very useful for you in case if you want to download. So let's continue friends. And there is also a playlist available for the Mi 10i smartphone, so that playlist will give you the clear idea about the device. And make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly for more this kind of interesting updates. So first you need to go through this option which is called I think in the additional settings. So then you need to go to the full screen display. Once you're in that, so if the option is of buttons, then you need to select the full screen gestures. So once you select the full screen gestures, you do have option of two options: double check for the gestures or go back to the previous app. So usually I'll try to enable these two options. So sometimes if you are playing any games, then it's good to have this kind of option for the double checking the gestures. So maybe if you swipe accidentally, then this might be able to help you. And next is go back to the previous application. So whenever you long swipe, it will take you back to the previous application. And whenever you do that, you will get the very good feedback from the backside of the phone that you are switching between the applications using this mode. That's a really good feeling when you are changing the applications. If you're using this kind of as you can see friends, just swipe to the previous application. That's a really good useful feature. Apart from that, you do have the different kind of full screen gestures going on here. So first is the go swipe to the bottom of the screen. So if you want to go to the home screen, just you need to swipe once in the bottom. So that's it, it will take you to the home screen. And swipe upside and hold for some time to get the multitasking tray with all the applications, and go back to the previous application just by swiping one time like this. And just by I think swiping for longer time, it will take you to the previous application like this, as you can see friends, at the edges. So this is a few full screen gestures useful features which is present in the Mi 10i device. And for more this kind of interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends, Sai Tech Guru. So this is just the basic video where I'll be explaining the full screen gestures in this phone, in case if you don't know how to use that. And thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you understood how to do that, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.